You have been manifesting for months and years, and you still do not have your manifestation. And you think you're doing everything right because you hear it on internet, and maybe you are, but there's this one thing which is hidden from you, almost no one talks about, and you need to hear that. And if you stop doing that today, your manifestation may show up tomorrow. So I really recommend you listen to my video and subscribe, hit the subscribe button because you need to see more of my videos to know how incredibly easy it is to manifest and how instant it is. Also hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I release a new video so you can keep learning. And let's get to it. You are doing this one thing, and it is you are taking action to calm yourself down because the manifestation is not coming. So you need to do something to get over it. You need to feel like life is not passing you by. You need to feel like things are happening, like you're helping it because universe is so incapable. It can't do it alone. It needs your help. And that's it. That is exactly what's holding your manifestations back. And what does it look like? It looks like you keep checking your bank account, refreshing it 20 times a day. You keep talking to your SP, although they told you where exactly specifically where to go. You keep checking for messages. You keep checking for emails. You're doing extra techniques because what you're doing is not good enough. You're trying to do all sorts of random actions just to feel like you're in charge and on top of it. And all of that is destroying your manifestation. If you stop doing that, there's a huge chance that your manifestation will show up in an hour, one day, one week. But your manifestation requires you to be calm and collected and not giving a shit. That's what your manifestation requires you to do. Because guess what? The universe doesn't like being disturbed when they are working their asses off on your behalf, just to please you, just to give it to you, just to deliver it to you, because they love you being around and they want you to be happy. And you keep meddling. You keep meddling with their work. Just imagine what it is like when you're really focused on doing something and child comes or husband comes or wife comes and boss comes and they interrupt everything you're doing and you lose the focus. You're angry. You have to talk to them and then it takes you forever to get back to that focus zone. That's what you're doing to universe when you keep interrupting it. So that's not ideal thing to do. Um, Also, what you're projecting by doing all these things that you don't have what you want yet. Because when you have what you want, you don't check your bank account, you don't check your mobile, you don't check your emails, you don't take any action because you already have it. If you already had 100 million, you wouldn't be checking your bank account if it arrived because you will know it's there. If you were married to your SB, you wouldn't be checking, are they texting me? Are they going to bring me flowers? Is he going to invite me for dinner? Does he bring me chocolate? You wouldn't be doing any of that because when you're married to them, it's just a common sense that they do it. Correct? So this is what you need to stop doing. And I'll tell you now what you need to start doing instead. First and foremost, every time like I'm bored. I need to do something. You need to remind yourself that your manifestation is guaranteed. It's guaranteed. If you leave it up to the universe and you go away and take care of your garden, children, grandchildren, pets, cars, sheds, properties, whatever, or start new businesses. Now I want you to imagine that you just received a letter in a mail and you open the letter and it says, on May 15th, 2026, we want to let you know that your manifestation is guaranteed and it's 100% happening. You're absolutely getting it. Signed by universe. If you had that written, you received it and you were holding it in your hand, you would stop caring because you would calm down. You're like, okay, so cool. So what do I do now with the 12 hours a day I was trying to do my manifesting so I get my manifestation? What do I do with all the free time? If it's guaranteed and you have it signed, what would you do? You would enjoy your life. You would go after your business. You would meet friends. You would go dancing. You would plan your holidays. You would do everything else but think about your manifestation. And that's exactly what you need to be doing to receive it. You need to be calm, unbothered, and I don't care. That's the state of getting everything you want. Okay? Then you get really bored and there's a silence. And you're like, okay, nothing's happening. Definitely nothing's happening. This is all wrong, all wrong. I'm definitely not getting what I want. Oh my God, what do I do? What do I do now? And I want to tell you, I want to inform you that that is the exact time when universe is working hardest to give you what you want. And you're this close to getting it. And if you just stay there and said, okay, I'm gonna watch Korean series on Netflix, binge watch them, because I cannot disturb universe while they're working on my behalf because I really want that manifestation. If you did that, your manifestation would come super fast. But you unfortunately replace it with action, and usually constipated action, not inspired action. And you still don't seem to understand the difference. Inspired action is that when you're washing dishes or driving car, you all of a sudden get a download and information from above. Call Peter. Go to Target. Uh, take that highway instead of this highway. Go left. Send that email. Go to this store, aisle 2. And that is inspired action. Universe wants you to carry that out because you will meet someone who's going to give you information about something you need to do to get your manifestation. That's inspired action. It came out of nowhere. But you have a need to do constipated action, which looks like, okay, I need to sit down now, have a coffee, and really think hard about what I could possibly do to get what I want. What do I do? I don't know, but I have to come up with something. I really, really, really have to because I'm tired of not getting what I want. I have to do something. That is totally wrong. It will not get you the results you want. And if it gives you results you want, they're going to be the wrong results because they're not going to stay with you for very long. You're doing it wrongly. All you need to do is look for a video called Pina Colada Time. Do nothing, get Pina Colada, watch series, any series you like on Netflix, and do nothing. When it's boring, you just do nothing. And that will get you what you want the fastest. That's a promise. It happens to me a couple times a year. And I make sure that I do binge watch some series because I'm generally a doer. And I know that if I start making action, I destroy everything universe is working on and is giving me. So I make sure that I don't interfere because interfering with this can cost you everything. So we don't do that. That's all you need to do. You need to trust universe. You need to trust yourself. You need to know that universe is working on your behalf behind 24/7 in the fastest speed physically and humanly possible. And when you trust and you let go of I need to control stuff, it arrives at the speed of light. That's a guarantee. It is a guarantee. And you need to understand that. And if you want to learn more, especially about money and love, and mainly about money and how to manifest a perfect business, you need to join my Manifesting HQ, where I have live calls weekly, 1 hour call with Q&A monthly. There's a free money manifesting course you can study. You can get access to me. You can ask me questions. I teach everything I know in Manifesting HQ. It costs a couple of coffees, literally. The link is down below in the description of the video. And I'll see you in the next video. Have fun for now.